Hey guys, what is up today? We are doing a very cool video. We are on Gamer Chase, and also you guys are seeing the comments today. I am live. So say hi to YouTube, Tony. We good, bruh. Say hello to YouTube. Alright, so today what are we doing? Well, you've been wondering, what are we doing? I got a stress ball at Target today. That looked weird. I got a stress ball at Target, and what we're gonna do is I've always wanted to do this. Okay, we're cutting open a stress ball. We're cutting it open. But I'm gonna plan on doing another video of it pretty soon. My hair's actually flat today, guys. I didn't do anything today with it. But anyways, like I said, I'm going to be cutting it open. I don't know if I'm cut it open. I've heard the stuff inside feels really cool. Like this one. I love the feeling of these ones, but I'm so scared to like rip it open, if you know what I mean. I'm scared. I am so scared. Like, I'm ready. Invite your fans, tell them what we're doing today. Oh, that felt funny. You know what? I should do it live on Instagram too. I'm gonna do it live on Instagram. I'm gonna keep people posted right now. And thanks for inviting 153 fans. You know who should I call JoJo? Call JoJo on FaceTime. I wish it was 500. Hello! Let's cut open. Oh, do it. Do it. I'm doing it. She's gonna be grossed out. Oh, by the way, I got a mouse finally. Oh, shoot. Sorry, guys. I just closed out the thing. She just got her wisdom teeth out, so give her luck, guys. Comment down below so she can see the support you guys are giving her. If also you're in the live, you want to just chat her there, tell her there. I will read them off. But she won't answer, people. She will not answer. Alright, time out on the video. Let me call her on Facebook. And wait, I can go on here, never mind. Sometimes she has her phone with her, sometimes she has her iPad, so who knows? You see I'm shaking right now? I mean, I'm freezing, but I'm very scared to cut this thing open. Okay. Invite your fans, JCaps, so that we can get more views on this. Because I want to get a lot of views on this, see how people react to it. Because it's really kind of cool and gross. She was active 29 minutes ago on Facebook, so. Oh, Tony, what do you think of this? My dress is over there now. I like it, I don't mind it. It's been like this for a couple days now. I'm kidding, it's been like this for a day. Okay, because I am going to pause the video here, and I'll be right back. Answer. Okay, hey guys, we are back. So, I'm going to squeeze this thing. Oh my god. Get more people. We need to get more people on. She's so gross. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna wait until more people come on, so I'm just so excited for this video, but I'm nervous at the same time. But yeah. I'm gonna wait until we get live more people. See you guys in a little bit. Guys, see what you think, and we're gonna start the video. Alright guys, so I'm back after the 4th time of stopping this video. We are doing it. The magic is going to happen. Ooh, I'm gonna cut this one right here. This one. The huge one. I'm gonna try to get a little bit bigger. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? JoJo, here we go. Ooh. Unless it pops first. Oh. Okay. Oh. I'm scared to do it, guys. I'm like legit freaking out right now. Who's on? Hello. Alright. Ooh, okay, we did it. It's open. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna cut this piece. Oh my god. That is so cool. You know what it reminds me of is Play-Doh. Oh my god, it's literally like slime. It's literally, oh my god, it literally feels like slime. It's bouncy. Jojo. It literally feels like slime. Not even joking. Okay. So, it's flat right now, guys. It's so amazing. It literally feels like slime. Oh my god. So, you guys ever want to know what was in this? It's really cool to feel. I mean, it is. I mean, it honestly is. I just got it. Alright, I'm gonna put this down. It's dropping. It is so cool feeling. Like, it is so cool. It literally, Tony, I suggest this. It feels really good. So here's the aftermath. What if I put it back in here? So, you don't get the aftermath of what you would do, but I literally do gotta wash my hands. You have a test tomorrow. Oh. Well, this was cool, guys. I would suggest doing this if you guys like cool, slimy stuff. Just watch it doesn't get on the floor because I have carpet in my room and it got on the carpet. But I do suggest doing it. See you guys later. Bye. Peace out. And we'll see you in the next adventure of Gamer Chase. Bye.